Hi. This tutorial will review some of the other hardware configurations that are not mentioned or detailed in other tutorials. The base unit has an articulated arm to attach illumination sources or other optical components. It can be rotated from multiple joints to adjust its height and angle, almost like a mini tripod, and slid backward or forward. Curved illumination, for example, can be fixed to the arm using thumb screws, or it can be placed horizontally as a white background in macro photography. An additional adapter, which can be inserted into the curved illumination, is used to hold the ring illumination or other custom-designed components for illuminating the sample from the other side, such as imaging holograms. The adapter needs to be removed before using the curved light for transmitted light microscopy. The spot illumination located at the bottom is also articulated to adjust the light's height and angle. This module has a built-in spring so that it flexes and returns to its normal position in case the motorized XY stage accidentally collides with it. The diffuser film over the LED can be removed to illuminate the sample directly from the point source. This module can also be fixed on the articulated arm to create intense illumination using the high-power LED, especially when imaging reflective samples at higher zoom levels. But unlike the curved illumination, its angle must be adjusted continuously depending on the camera angle. Finally, you can use the same insertion mechanisms to fix other illumination sources, filters, polarizers, and other optical components. Regarding the sample chucks, both sides can be used thanks to integrated magnets. If you need a custom holder for specific samples, like a micro-titer plate, please get in touch with us for design guidelines for 3D printing. These chucks can also be fixed using provided screws, and non-magnetic holders can be requested from Microcubic. Spring-loaded clips can be fixed on the other side or other chucks. The positions of most modules can be adjusted depending on the sample type and the imaging application. For example, the camera module can be moved up and down, or the rotary actuator can be placed differently to accommodate larger samples using the thumb screws. The XY stage can also be extended manually. In fact, the whole microscope can be enlarged thanks to its modular and flexible design. These adapters are not provided with the microscope but can be requested from Microcubic for custom samples and imaging applications. The extension kit comes with multiple adapters for the camera and the light sources. They can be fixed either manually or using the provided screwdriver. For example, for the reflected light microscopy, the position of the curved illumination can be extended using this adapter. Then, the light source can be fixed using the thumb screws, as before. Similarly, the position of the camera module can be extended. First, detach the camera from the tilting module, and then move the B-axis arm forward so that the conduit for the screw is accessible. Then, fix the extension adapter using two M5 screws, which are provided with the adapter. You can then move the B-axis arm back to its zero position, fix the camera module to the adapter, and use the microscope to image larger samples. For the transmitted light microscopy, where the curved light is placed underneath the sample, you can extend the fixed aluminum rods using additional rods, which are provided with the kit. Then, if the imaging application requires the spot illumination, you can extend its position again using the provided adapter. These adapters are 3D printed and can be customized. You can also request or 3D print custom-designed sample holders for your specific samples and fix them to the rotary actuator using magnets or screws. Here in this example, a holder for a 6-inch mask is demonstrated. An important remark for such hardware configurations or customizations. If you recall from other tutorials, all position parameters and settings of modules can be saved in a JSON file so that previously saved imaging configurations can be recalled later. However, please remember that the configuration may not be fully recovered once the positions of the modules are changed manually. For critical configurations, you can note down the positions of the modules using the integrated rulers. Alternatively, you can replace the thumb screws with regular screws so that other users cannot easily change the configuration. We hope that this tutorial was helpful for you to learn more features of your microscope. For any issues and feedback, please feel free to contact us. We can also help you to design and assemble customized solutions for your specific imaging and sample manipulation applications. Please reach out by email to discuss your projects and our offerings. Thank you and goodbye.